Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I'm glad to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get started, I just want to say that this video is for informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and I recommend that you do your own research before making any financial decisions. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a digital payment service that allows you to make online payments. It is a popular payment method in the UK and Europe. What is PayPal? PayPal is an online payment service that allows you to send and receive money. It is a popular payment method worldwide. How to transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal? There are two ways to transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal. Using the Paysafe app. The Paysafe app is the easiest way to transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal. To transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal using the Paysafe app, you will need to download the Paysafe app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign into your Paysafe account. Tap on the Transfer button. Select PayPal as the recipient. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Tap on the Transfer button. Using the Paysafe website. You can also transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal using the Paysafe website. To transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal using the Paysafe website, you will need to go to the Paysafe website. Sign into your Paysafe account. Click on the Transfer button. Select PayPal as the recipient. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Click on the Transfer button. Fees. There are no fees for transferring money from Paysafe to PayPal. Processing time. Transfers from Paysafe to PayPal are usually processed within 1 to 2 business days. I hope this video has helped you learn how to transfer money from Paysafe to PayPal. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.